In this video, I'll detail how to disable background app refresh on iPhone on iOS 18. So, one way to make your iPhone battery last longer is to stop all your applications from refreshing in the background section automatically, except for important applications like your email or your favorite social media application. So, here you learn how to stop all these applications from running in the background section, consuming data, and at the same time draining up your iPhone battery. So if you're done with this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first thing to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on general. Now once you selected general, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to background app refresh and click on that. Then once you selected background app refresh, you'll see all your application you have here. If you have it enabled, just like this, while all these are turned on like this, then you can just disable them one after the other to only allow application whose background app refresh you want to have access to. Like that. Now, if this background app refresh is on, you can just come here and choose off. Then this is going to disable all the background app refresh on your iPhone on iOS 18. So that. But if you have some application you want to use in the background section of your iPhone to receive notifications and be able to use them while they are running in the background, just click on background app refresh. Then choose whether offer Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and data. So in this case, I'm going to select Wi-Fi and data. Then come back here and enable this application so as to be able to receive notifications from this application when your phone is running in the background section. So this I can easily turn on or turn off background app refresh on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.